If you want to see how to make these quick egg bites in your van or your RV, make sure you watch this video, because in the stores, y'all, I'm going to put the prices up there. We ain't got time to pay for all that. Y'all know we save money over here. Look at all that meat in between them. Y'all, watch this video so you can see just how to make these. Hey cousins, this is something that my girl Ree showed me how to do, and I guess it's something like them little Caesar, what you call them little things, them little snacker things that come with four for like $3 or something. But anyway, you only gonna need some eggs, pepperoni, bacon. You don't need both of them, but you just put it in there if you want to. I'm using the rest of this cheese right here, and I'm using this cheese right here, a jalapeno, onion, sour cream. So I'm not gonna be using any bread. We're about to see how this come out. Let me show y'all how to make these quick and delicious bites in your RV or your van, whatever you prefer. As y'all can see, I'm cooking the bacon. This is the bacon I use, but you can use whatever kind of bacon you prefer. It's all up to you. Cut up whatever kind of meats you want to cut up. I cut up some pepperoni, some onions, peppers, and I think I did little bell peppers. Whatever you want in the inside of your little bite, you can put it in there. It could be for breakfast. It could be for dinner. It all depends on your choice. But make sure you cook the bacon first so it'll already be done. And as you can see, I got the eggs and I'm about to put the cheese in. You put whatever kind of cheese you prefer. You don't even have to put the cheese. And this is my muffin pan. You're just going to get you some spray and just spray it down just so it won't stick. Then when you're going to come back to your bowl, your egg and stuff, and you're going to just mix it up real good. And that's sour cream. You're just going to mix it up really, really good. And as you can see, I got it mixed up. Just get your spoon or fork and just mix it up. Then we're going to get that baking pan that you just sprayed down with some Pam. And we're going to scoop it out and put some scoops into the baking pan. And that's all, y'all. That's all we're going to do. We're going to put it in the oven. And when it come out, it is done. Y'all, look how quick that was. And you're going to be paying $4 and $5 for 2 bites. When, look, you can get 6. And it don't even cost you $1.20. You see what I'm saying, y'all? We got to learn to save this money. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. And look at the brown on it. You can't tell me this brown don't look good. Oh, girl. Just, I love it. When I tell y'all this is so quick, and this, I'm telling you, these just some quick tips that I be giving y'all for y'all RV. Just, you know, for breakfast. If your kids finna get ready for school, you ain't got to stand over no hot stove. Just bam, put them in the oven. Look at it, y'all. It's really good as it look. It really is. Now let me bust it open so you can see the inside of it. Look at all that meat. Y'all know when y'all get them little bites, they do not have all that meat and cheese in it. You put how much meat, cheese, it really tastes like an omelet to me. But I'm going to let y'all taste whatever how y'all want to taste it. But bye, cousins. See you on my next video.